This is another example of multiplication. In this question you can see A has been given and this is the matrix. So the size of the matrix, you can see it is 3 by 3 matrix, and the question is you have to solve this. A cube minus 6a square minus 3a plus 18i is equals to 0. So first of all we will calculate one by one all these things. Now first we require a cube, and I suppose till now you might be clear that a cube is a multiplied by a multiplied by a. So we will find out a cube, then we will find out a square. A square will be a into a. Then 3a, a is already there in the question, it has been given to us. 18i, here I stands for identity matrix. Now because our matrix is of 3 by 3 size, so we will be taking identity matrix as 3 by 3 size. So this is the entire information that we are having. So first of all we will start with, because multiplication can be done between two matrices, so we will start with a multiplied by a. So this matrix will be multiplied by itself only. So let us start the process. This is a matrix, it will be multiplied by the same a only. So now till now how we have seen that how matrices are multiplied. The first row is multiplied with the first column. So I am going to write in the same way. First row I have written, then first column, again the first row, second column 2 3 1, same row, and the third column 3 1 2. Multiplication of the first row, then second row, here also same. This is the multiplication of the second row. Now if we want to proceed further, third row also we will give. This is the third row. So now this is entirely one step that we have written. So by this we will, when we will solve it, the first column with the first column, second with the second, third with the third, and we will put a plus sign, we will count about a into a, that is a square will be there. So when you will solve this problem by multiplying first with first, second with second, we will be coming to this. First will be multiplied by first, second with second, and we put a plus sign in between that. In the same way second column will calculate it and the third column will be calculated. And finally you will be having this solution as a square. When you will add these values 14, 11, 11, 11, 14, 11, 11, 11, 14. Now from a square we have to move on to a cube. How we will do that? The answer of a square will be again multiplied by your a which was given in the question. So again we will see the same procedure of multiplication. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. So this is how the calculation will be done, and finally when you will solve it, this will be the final values that we will get. So here when we will add these values, so we will be calculating a cube. So after solving this entire part, you will be coming across this, and when you will add up these values, so finally your a cube will be in this format. This will be your a cube, right? So this is the a cube, that will be your answer. 69, 72, 75, 72, 75, 69, 75, 69 and 72. Now coming down to our main question. What was our main question? If you remember, this was our main question. A cube minus 6a square minus 3a plus 18i is equals to 0. This we have to prove. So a cube minus 6a square minus 3a plus 18i, it has to be equal to 0. Now a cube, we have got this 69, 72, 75, 72, 75 and 69, 75, 69 and 72, minus, we will put a minus sign. Next we have to take 6a square. Now where is a square? We know that a square means a multiplied by a, and this multiplication we have already done in the previous step. If you remember, when we have done the previous step, there we have first taken a multiplied by a, then we have multiplied with a. So a square we have already calculated. So these are the values of a square: 14, 11, 11, 11, 14, 11 and 11, 11, 14. So now we will put this into this equation. So our a square was 14, 11, 11, 11, 14, 11, 11, 11, 14 minus 3. A is our original question in which a was given to us. So a was 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2 plus 18 into I stands for identity matrix. So I will be writing, sorry, here 1, this is identity matrix. Now we have to solve this entire, how we have earlier seen how the addition subtraction is done. So what we will do, we will multiply this full matrices with 6, this full matrix with 3, this full matrix with 18, and then we will be finally seeing whether the answer comes out to be 0 or not. So finally, after solving all this, you will be coming across this serial, like this matrix and this matrix. Now we will be solving this matrix. 69 minus 84 minus 3 plus 18, it will be 0. 72 minus 66 minus 6 plus 0, this will be 0. 75, 66, 9 and 0, you will solve it, it will be 0. And you will observe that when you will be solving all these values, it will be coming out to be 0. So how our question was that this equation should come equal to 0, that has been proved.